Rocket, the space race heats up. Surprises, milestones, and controversies. Bold moves and unannounced launches. Imagine waking up to the news of a rocket launch that no one saw coming. That's exactly what happened when China launched the Xi'an-31 satellite without any prior warning. But here's where it gets controversial. Why the secrecy? Is it a matter of national security, or is China playing by its own rules in the space arena? Meanwhile, Europe is stepping up its game with a drone ship designed to recover reusable rocket stages, echoing SpaceX's innovative approach. But will it be enough to keep up with the global space giants? Starship's near-perfect comeback. After a year of setbacks, SpaceX's Starship program finally flirted with perfection. The latest test flight saw the spacecraft return to Earth with minimal damage, thanks to improved heat shield technology. And this is the part most people miss. SpaceX is now eyeing land recoveries for Starship in 2026. But here's the kicker. Can they maintain this momentum? Or will technical challenges derail their ambitious timeline? SpaceX veterans and competitors unite. In a surprising twist, Hans Koenigsmann, a SpaceX veteran, is set to fly to space with Blue Origin. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a sign of camaraderie in the space industry, or a subtle dig at SpaceX? Koenigsmann's decision to trust Blue Origin's safety measures raises questions about the competitive dynamics between these space giants. And let's not forget, his flight will also make history by including the first wheelchair user in space. Michaela Michi Benthouse. What does this mean for inclusivity in space travel? Orion's future. Breaking free from SLS. Lockheed Martin is exploring the possibility of launching the Orion spacecraft on rockets other than the SLS. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a strategic move to cut costs, or a sign of waning confidence in NASA's mega rocket? With the SLS program facing potential termination, Orion's future hangs in the balance. Will it become a commercial space staple, or remain tied to an expensive, expendable architecture? Vandenberg's transformation. SpaceX is doubling down on Vandenberg Space Force Base, planning up to 100 launches per year. But here's where it gets controversial. Can the infrastructure handle this surge? And what does this mean for the local environment and community? As SpaceX redevelops Space Launch Complex 6, critics are asking, are we prioritizing innovation at the expense of sustainability? Thought-provoking questions for you. Is China's unannounced launch a strategic move or a breach of international space norms? Will SpaceX's Starship program finally achieve its land recovery goal in 2026? What does Koenigsmann's Blue Origin flight say about the competitive spirit in the space industry? Is Orion's potential shift away from SLS a step toward cost-effective space exploration or a risky gamble? Can Vandenberg's infrastructure and environment sustain SpaceX's ambitious launch plans? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about the future of space exploration.